How to fix lag and slow problem on any game on your Windows 10. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing, you have to go down here and click on this little start button and then click on the settings option. And now all what you have to do here is simple, click on privacy. Now right here, all what you have to do is disable those Windows permissions like this, disable all these, and then go to speech and turn it off, and go here, turn it off, and go here also turn off all these, and also the activity. And now go to app permissions and disable all these options right here, as you can see, from the contacts, the call history like this, and the phone calls, and also the messaging like this, and the background apps. Also you have to disable the apps that you don't want. And after you finish, now all what you have to do is go down here, click on this little option and turn off the apps that you don't need like this, click on exit, and congratulations, your Windows 10 is gonna be more faster than it was. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.